Kinds of motion. There are basically two kinds of motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is a uniform motion? An object is said to be in uniform motion when it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. What does that mean? It means जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है इक्वल इंटरवल्स में तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में होता है. लेट्स विजुअलाइज इट. दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट पाथ and a person sitting in a car. He moves 5 meters in 1 second. Then another 5 meters in 1 second. Then next 5 meters in 1 second. In the same way, he travels 5 meters at the time interval of 1 second, 1 second and 1 second. So, he travels equal distance of 5 meters in equal interval of time, which is 1 second. Now, we will talk about the graph of uniform motion. This is a table whose data we will plot in the graph. This is the graph in which distance is plotted on y-axis and time is taken along x-axis. Now, as shown in the table, the person travels 10 meters at 9:30 am, another 10 meters at 9:45 am, another 10 meters at 10 am, and next 10 meters at 10:15 am by traveling a total distance of 40 meters. So, when we join the points, we get a straight line. So, the graph of uniform motion is a straight line. Now we will talk about non-uniform motion. An object is said to be in non-uniform motion when it covers an equal distance in equal intervals of time. Means इस motion में object जो है unequal distance cover करेगा equal intervals में. For example, a person jogging in a park, a car moving on a crowded street, a bouncing ball or a running horse are the examples of non-uniform motion. Now, we will plot a graph of non-uniform motion also. This is the table and this is the graph, and again we have taken distance along y-axis and time along x-axis. Now, the person travels 12 meters at 9:30 am, then another 7 meters at 9:45 am, then a total of 23 meters at 10 am, then total of 35 meters at 10:15 am. So the graph will be a non-straight line. So the graph of a uniform motion is a curved line or a non-straight line. Also, this is the basic difference between uniform and non-uniform motion graphs.